Have you thought about what is the entertainment of Asian people without electronic devices? The teachers of the Confucius Institute introduced us to traditional Chinese games on Thursday.
We have prepared 5 games altogether. One is 踢毽子, that means to kick the shuttlecock. And then 斗空竹, and 空竹 is also a very traditional Chinese game. It has a long history, and in English it might be called Chinese yo-yo or diabolo, and also jump rope, playing table tennis.
Attendees not only experience different traditional Chinese games, but also learn some Chinese words. The Chinese Culture Club also has interesting activities next week.
We're going to have a table tennis tournament for men's singles and women's singles. And the time is from 5 to 7 p.m. on November the 7th. So welcome to join it.
The Chinese Culture Club has a program called Tea Talk. It is free and open to everyone. If you are interested in Chinese culture and want to make new friends, come join us at the Confucius Institute every Thursday afternoon. Khalessi Bai, TrojanVision News.